Good afternoon, everybody from Nairobi. And today we're going to be speaking to Lawrence about technical analysis.
Yeah.
Lawrence, normally I think it's all gobbledygook, but you're going to tell me it isn't and how important it is.
So technical analysis is, using past price movement to kind of, determine, future trades or, future price movements. So the philosophy behind that is that, the price is the fairest measure of all sentiment and fundamentals. So we are going to kind of account for everything, and after it's all said and done, it goes back to the price. So obviously investors are going to say, if I take price and I kind of do my analysis, I can get, future price. And so we have different, types of, technical analysis. We have, trend, and then we have momentum. But we are going to cover
Trend,
yeah.
Okay.
The two most important ones are moving average and the support resistance.
Okay.
So for moving average, you see these lines here? This is a 200 MA moving average.
This continuous red one.
Yeah. And then we have a faster moving average. This is the 21 moving average.
21.
So a moving average means that it's the average price of the last, X number of candles. So maybe 20 candles. So it helps smooth out price, kind of get rid of price fluctuations, and kind of average it out so that it looks kind of smooth. So you don't have to deal with the noise.
So this chart is of the Nasdaq.
Yeah.
And basically this is the 200-day moving average, and we've been in an uptrend because we've stayed above it.
Yes.
And if you were trading that, what would you worry about?
It will still be a buy.
It's still a buy.
Yeah, the reason behind that is that since price is above the moving average, both moving averages, then it's a buy. If it's below the moving average, then it's a sell. Simple as that.
Okay.
That's a moving average.
Okay.
Yeah. The next one is support resistance.
Yes.
So support resistance is obviously, these are key prices that investors are going to look at. So these are prices where, psychological prices where important news came out, prices where, you have, high volume as the tug of war continues between buyers and sellers. So these are key points. So, and then you'd kind of, it's a zone, not a specific price, it's a zone. So you'd kind of place your support or resistance lines. So this is the support lines. So you can actually see how price is unable to break it.
So it's, several times it's come there and people have supported it.
Yes. Yeah.
But it dropped here. There must have been some.
Exactly. So that is now support on the Nasdaq would be maybe 73. And
where's resistance?
Resistance would be somewhere at the top price there of maybe 70. I think it was 75 or something.
Yes.
Yeah, 74.7 there. That's the resistance now.
Okay.
But it's a bit too far. So if I can also show you better on gold, so that's gold for you.
Yes. So gold, interestingly, got all the way up to 1200.
1200, yeah. You should have sold, like you said. Yeah?
Yes.
And then you can now see how technicals are playing out. So the psychological price of resistance of 1200, and then kind of bounced off that. It's coming down again to 1185.
So you're saying it's trading in this sort of in this range, except for that dump that we had there.
Yeah. So it's supposed to come here, kind of bounce back or break it downwards.
Okay.
Yes, but obviously you're supposed to kind of marry the two together, fundamental and technical. You just can't go blind on, because these are lagging.
Yes.
They're telling you about the past.
What is the historical price action?
But now fundamentals are going to kind of lead you into the future, so you kind of get the two together.
But I follow a number of people and they swear by it. They tell me, look, Ali Khan, whatever you're thinking in the fundamentals will show me here first.
Exactly. Yeah. So that's the philosophy.
Okay.
So whatever is outside there, sentiment and also fundamentals will ultimately show in price. And so, guys, it's easier to do technical analysis because everything is coming to you, and then you just apply, some statistical tools, and you have your.
Is it a perfect science, or is it also an art?
It's an art also.
It's also an art.
It's an art also.
That's what I thought.
Yeah.